Are you ready to elevate your design game? With Canva, you can create a custom posters in just a few clicks. Whether you are promoting an event, sharing a message, or showcasing your art, Canva's user-friendly tools make it easy to bring your vision to life. Dive in and start impressing your audience today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can make a poster on Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So the first thing that you have to do is just sign up, and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with the homepage, as you can see, or you can just sign in and you will find your account. So posters are a powerful way to communicate your ideas, promote events, and capture attention. With Canva, creating stunning posters has never been easier. Its intuitive design tools and vast library of templates and graphics allow you to unleash your creativity without needing graphic design experience. Whether you are crafting a vibrant event flyer or an inspirational code poster, Canva empowers you to make your vision a reality. Start designing today and watch your ideas come to life in a visually captivating way. So, once you click over here and you'll click over home, you will find this page, as you can see. So here we have it. So the first step that you have to do is just go to the search your content and canvas, and then you search about posters like that. So you choose the poster that you want, as you can see. So I will just click over here, so posters. Then I will click over enter once you can see. So right now I will just wait for it, and we have here this. So I'll click over see all, as you can see, like that, and you will find the posters here. So let's wait. So here we have it, as you can see. We have here all templates. So first of all, I will just select the filter that I want. For example, here we have all categories. I will select if I want business and which business I want. For example, here we have docs, presentations, and other things such as whiteboard, business cards, flyers, phototypes, mind maps, websites, graphs, and other things. Also, we have a social media such as Instagram, Facebook, stories, and other things. Then we have education, video. Then we have marketing, and we have your print products, cards and invitations, and this is it. Also, we have a feature, theme, language, style. We have a format, and also we have other options here like video if you want it. So you can just have the niche that you want, style. Then we have language, theme, feature, and we have grade, subject, also topic, and furthermore we have the price here. For example, we have the free one or the pro one. You select the one you want. For example, I will select the free one. So this is the niche that you select only. So you can also select the filter that you want, and then you click over apply, and you will find here all the template that you want and that you select his filter. So here we have one, and then you can also create a blank, or you can choose the one you want. For example, I will select this one, and I will click over customize the template. So once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. So as you can see, the first thing that I would do is just zoom like that, and here we have it. So we have here other options like we have lock page and duplicate page. So like that, you will duplicate it like that. And if we come back here, let's just find other options here, like if you want to delete, if you want to add a page like that, and also if you want to duplicate page, if you want to lock the page, if you want to hide the page, do we have here move down, and here if you want to move up. So for example, I want to move this one up, so I'll move it up. And also here if we want to add a comment, for example like that, then if we want to edit also, and we have a page here mover, and we have here the color background, we have also here crop, flip, and we have here transparency, animate, position, and we have copy style. Then we have here if we want to share, and here we have endo. You can also click over Control plus Z, and here I will show you how you can design your poster to be good. So for example, you can do all these things. All you choose firstly the templates that you want. For example, here we have this one. You choose also this the poster. For example, I will select poster, and you'll wait for the poster. Here we have information poster, event poster, we have here business poster, advertising poster, educational posters, product poster, research posters, school poster, and we have here academic poster and art posters. So you select the one you want, for example. So here we have also elements. So about elements, you can just select, for example, here we have graphics, photos, videos, shapes, audio, frames, mockups, and we have charts also here, as you can see. So you can just select the one you want. Then we have here, if you want to add text, for example, here we have add a heading, add a subheading, add a little bit of body text, and here we have also magic white if you want to add something here, and you click over Control plus Enter. Then also we have here print. If you want to logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, graphics, and icons. Then we have here uploads. If you want to record yourself like that, or you can upload a file like that. And also we have here the option of to upload videos or audios. And here we have how you can record. You can just get started right now. 3, 2, 1, and you get started recording. So here we have it, and you will add it to your poster. So this is how it looks. You can just add a heading here and a subheading, and once you're done, you click over done. If you want to delete it, you click over here, and if you want to save it, you click over here, as you can see. Then I will exit to studio, and if you want to upload video or audio also, and here we have the option of a draw, for example like that. Then we have here red, and here we have razor. Then we have here, if we wanna also just come back in this one, and also we have here settings, and this is it. Also we have here quick actions, like here we have line style, magic white, text, share, and we have your graphic to match, for example like that, and this is it. Also we have here if you want to edit something, if you want a border style, and here we have here color render, and we have your crop, flip, and we have your transparency, animate, position, and copy style. So as you can see, let's come back to the home page. So this is how it works with Canva. So Canva is your go-to platform for creating a catchy posters that make a lasting impact. With its user-friendly features and the endless design possibilities, you can easily turn your ideas into stunning visuals. Don't miss the chance to express your creativity and connect with your audience. Start exploring Canva today and transform your concepts into beautiful, engaging posters. So this is how it works with Canva and creating posters on Canva. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.